Tattoo removal operation. Before operation, we have to do skin test. Because each client's skin type and the depth of the dye are different, so we adjust the corresponding parameters to carry out a skin test. After the test according to the customer's skin reaction and then add or subtract energy, adjust the diameter of the light spot. Because the skin is a lag, different parameters after the trial hit and so on. For a few minutes to observe the skin's reaction to serious subcutaneous hemorrhage, no bleeding, counter color is not obvious as the best critical value. Before the operation, first disinfect and clean the parts. You can use epidermal numbing cream 30 minutes in advance to slow down the pain during the operation, or ice pack for 15 minutes to reduce intraoperative pain. For black tattoos, a melanin crush program is used with recommended starting parameters 1064 wavelength, energy from 2, spot 4 to 6, frequency 1 to 4. 1. Operation points. It is recommended to hold the treatment head close to the skin, because the distance pulling up will reduce the diameter of the spot. It is recommended to familiarize with the principle before trying to pull up the operation. The light speed should not be too fast. The points cannot be repeated. Uniform coverage to the pigment can be. 2. Operation interval 1 to 2 months. The general suggestion is 2 months. The more the number of operations, the longer the interval time, according to the depth of the pigment and the area size to decide the number of operations. 3. Precautions. There will be anti-color after tattoo removal, affected by individual differences and pigment depth. Anti-color will appear in a few minutes to a few hours in the later repair and metabolism process. The color will gradually become lighter until it disappears. Large tattoos are best used with fractional lasers for better heat dissipation and breathability of the skin to avoid blistering, reduce the risk of infection, and speed up the recovery cycle. For color tattoos, 1064 or 785 wavelength is easy to have no effect. It is recommended to use 532 wavelength peeling program. It is recommended that the starting parameters of 532 wavelength, energy from 1.5, spot 4 to 7, frequency 1 to 4. 1. Operation interval refer to black tattoos. The number of color tattoos to 2 or 3 times more than black tattoos. 2. Note 532 wavelength will be more flash to the eyes. Remember to wear glasses. Postoperative care. Postoperative care is especially important. Generally remove tattoo skin wounds are larger. The use of closed moist care. Specific operation process. Notice: